How to turn off sound notifications on your iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can turn off the sound notifications on your iPad. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to turn off the sound notifications on your iPad, then first of all, there are numerous ways to do this. One thing that you can do is just to simply swipe down the control panel settings, and here you'll find the bell icon. You can simply mute your iPhone in order to not get any sort of notification sound. So you will receive a notification, but you will not receive a sound. But let's say you don't want to put your phone in silent mode. Another way you can achieve this is by opening up settings, and then on the left hand side looking for the option called sounds and then tapping on it. And right here you can see ringtone and alert volume. All you have to do is simply drag the slider to the part on which you want to go ahead and then mute the volume, so you can completely mute it off as well if you would like that. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically turn off sound notifications on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comments section. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.